大家好，欢迎你们来到我的视频。如果你们对我的视频有兴趣，别忘了订阅哦。Today we are going to learn the Chinese word Dao. Dao is a common Chinese word with multiple meanings. When used as a verb, it can mean to arrive or to reach. As a preposition, it can mean to or towards, and as an adverb, it can mean until or up to. Dao is often used together with another Chinese word to form compound words such as 到达 or 周到, etc. The Chinese character Dao has 8 strokes altogether. The right-hand side represents a knife, 刀 in Chinese. The left-hand side, 智, has the same meaning as 刀. 智 in its old form indicates a bird flying down from the sky and reach the earth, which is 土 in Chinese. The first meaning of 到 to arrive, to reach. 我到家了，我到家了，我到家了。I have arrived home. 火车到站了，火车到站了，火车到站了。The train has arrived at the station. The second meaning of 到 to go to, leave for. 他坐火车到法国，他坐火车到法国，他坐火车到法国。He took a train to France. 到法国的火车几点开车？到法国的火车几点开车？到法国的火车几点开车？ What time does the train to France leave? The third meaning of 到 until or up to. 我们得工作到晚上10点。我们得工作到晚上10点。我们得工作到晚上10点。We have to work until 10 p.m. 他待在家里到天亮才离开。他待在家里到天亮才离开。他待在家里到天亮才离开。He stayed at home until daylight. Frequently used words or phrases using the Chinese word 到处 everywhere 到达 reach arrive 到底 in the end after all 到头 in the end after all 到为止 up to until 这里不安全，不要到处走。这里不安全，不要到处走。这里不安全，不要到处走。It's not safe here. Don't walk around. 到达目的地后，打电话给我。到达目的地后，打电话给我。到达目的地后，打电话给我。Call me after you have arrived at the destination. 你到底爱不爱我？ 你到底爱不爱我？你到底爱不爱我？ Literally means you, finally, or in the end, love me or not. 他做了这么多，到头来却什么都得不到。他做了这么多，到头来却什么都得不到。他做了这么多，到头来却什么都得不到。He did so many things, but in the end, he got nothing. 从今天到下星期为止，我们每天都得加班。从今天到下星期为止，我们每天都得加班。从今天到下星期为止，我们每天都得加班。From today until next week, we have to work overtime every day. 到手 acquire. 报到 report for duty or report to someone. 迟到 to be late. 周到 adequate, considerate. 感到 feel, to sense. 这手表很抢手，很难买到手。这手表很抢手，很难买到手。这手表很抢手，很难买到手。This watch is in high demand and difficult to get your hands on. 晚上8点一定要到学校报到。晚上8点一定要到学校报到。晚上8点一定要到学校报到。You have to report to school at 8 p.m. 今天的约会很重要，千万别迟到。今天的约会很重要，千万别迟到。今天的约会很重要，千万别迟到。The appointment today is very important. Please don't be late. 这件事他考虑得很周到。这件事他考虑得很周到。这件事他考虑得很周到。She is very thoughtful about this matter. 听到坏消息后，他感到很伤心。听到坏消息后，他感到很伤心。听到坏消息后，他感到很伤心。She felt sad after hearing the bad news.